why Notion CRM is a bad CRM for your business, even in 2025. So let's see what the typical Notion CRM gurus are telling us.
Go ahead and just hide a few of these. So now that we have that, what we need to create is your sales pipeline. This is what you're going to use to track all of the outreach that you have with your potential clients. Quick, if you don't want to go through the process of building this entire thing, I do have one that's already created for you that you can use, which is the one that you see here. If you want to download it, just click the first link in the description. All right,
So this is my problem with Notion CRMs. They're talking about like tracking your leads to tracking your outreach with your leads. But the truth is that it's impossible with a Notion CRM to auto sync your email interactions and so many other things that you have with your leads in a Notion CRM. So when you think about it, like the goal of a sales CRM is to save you time so that you make more money. But the problem with Notion CRMs is that they're telling you that they track the leads, but they don't track the email interactions. You will have to do many clicks to see the profile of your leads on LinkedIn, to see the past conversations, to even sync the interactions. You will have to do many manual actions. You can sometimes fill the gap using Zapier or using Make, but the problem is that most people do not take savvy enough, and still you cannot auto sync many different customer interactions. So for example, in a sales CRM, like a proper sales CRM, in just one click from the sales pipeline, you have access to everything, like the email activities, the LinkedIn conversations that you had with your leads. They are auto sync without you to have anything. In just one click, you can just type a keyword that is related to your offer and see all the different LinkedIn posts that are linked to what you're selling to the prospect, so that you can use that post, liking, commenting natively in the sales CRM, so that essentially you can use that data to bond with the prospect even faster. And in just one click, you can go to the LinkedIn inbox or the email inbox of your leads, create tasks, reminders. You're notified automatically via email when you need to realize all this task. And again, in one click, you can just follow up super rapidly with your leads. That is what a true sales CRM is. And that is why Notion, even though it's a very good software for project management, is not suited. One of the biggest competitors of Notion is ClickUp. Some people, they prefer Airtable. But just to illustrate my point, like one of the co-founders of ClickUp, which is a huge software you can also technically build a CRM inside of it, subscribe to my sales CRM, breakcold, for like an annual plan to test it with the whole team of ClickUp, because they know that to sync specific types of interactions, for example, emailing, LinkedIn, like this kind of softwares, they're not built to be proper CRMs. So it's the same for Notion, it's the same for Airtable, it's the same for Google Spreadsheets. If you're really serious about growing your business, use a proper sales CRM that will help you to save time to make more money. That's it for me. Bye.